Hey YouTube, how's it going? It's Quinton here, and this is tutorial number 35. And in this tutorial we are looking at part 2 of my mini series, which was creating a basic website layout. Okay, where I'm just going to show you guys how to make a basic website template. And if you guys remember from the previous video, we left off having a header that had a fake logo, and we had a navigation that was filled with some fake links. So in other words, the links didn't actually go anywhere. We've got empty hrefs over here. And my section tag, I said we'd do that in this video, so I can go ahead and delete that because we're gonna be working on that in this video. And then we had a footer, well, a side section that we're still gonna work with in this video, and then a footer that just had a copyright in there to fill up some content. Okay, so yeah, very fake looking website, seeing as there's a fake logo and a fake navigation, etc. But what I did in between the last video and this video was fetch a logo. So there I've gone ahead and created a logo over here that we can use for this series. And if you take a look at this in the browser, then we pretty much have our logo, some navigation, a copyright, and we still need to fill up the section and the aside. So let's go back to Notepad++ over here, and let's talk about what goes in our section. Okay, because like I said in the previous video, or in the previous two videos, the section is your main content. This is like the whole reason why people came to your web page. Okay, and this can contain one article or quite a few articles. Okay, and because of that, we also have this new tag in HTML5 that I didn't tell you about yet, but it is the article tag. Okay, and I'm gonna end that off over here. And basically inside of this article tag we can write our story, or you know, just add in whatever content our website is supposed to have. So let's say it was a news website, then this article would contain an article you know, that was news related. Okay, so let's go ahead now and actually give this some more content. So I'm going to give this a heading. So we'll start off with H2, and you know, obviously all articles will have a header to kind of get the viewer interested and get him reading the content. So I'm just going to say this is an article header because I'm not very creative at the moment, so that's what I'm going to put there. And then under that we can put in a subheading, because quite a few articles you know, might have a main heading that contains the entire story, or like that describes the entire story, but then you've got a subheading underneath that which just like maybe describes what's going to happen in the next 3 paragraphs, or what the topic is that you're talking about is in the next 3 paragraphs. So let's just say this is a subheader or something. Okay, and whenever you do this in HTML, or whenever you're creating a website, whenever you create 2 different headers, the browser might be a little bit confused, and it might think, okay, is this the header or is this the header? Okay, so you can then choose to surround this in header tags. So if I go ahead and actually do this and that, then we have these 2 headers now inside one header tag. And that doesn't mean that, okay, the browser is now going to think that this is the main header of our page, like this one up here. No, 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 that is not how this works. Okay, this header tag basically just describes a header. So any header can actually be in these header tags, and it just means that the browser will now understand, okay, whatever's inside of here is a header, whether it is for the page header of the website like over here, or whether it's just a heading of an article like this is over here. These are indeed headers. Okay, and this will also help with search rankings and stuff. Whenever Google bots browse your site, they'll see the heading tags, and I should actually be closing that. Okay, they'll see these heading tags and know that this is a heading, or these are headings of an article. Okay, so let's go down one line now and continue with the rest of our page. And of course, what would an article be without any paragraphs for some content? So you could go ahead and throw in a few paragraphs over here. This is para 1, and we'll duplicate that, or copy it rather, and paste it, and this will be paragraph 2. Okay, so we've got some paragraphs, not that important, but underneath that we can go ahead now and actually add in a footer tag. Okay, because all articles can then have a footer as well. And again, this doesn't mean that, okay, the browser is now going to think, well, this is the footer of your entire website, because no, that's not how these tags work. Okay, even though that this is in a footer tag, so that the browser would understand that this is the footer of our website, if we have this footer tag over here in the article, then the browser and also search engine rankings, or bots for search engine rankings, will understand that this is the footer of the article. Okay, and then you could go ahead and in this footer end it off by saying this article was written by Quentin Watt, just because I did write it right now. Best article in the world, para 1 and para 2. But yeah, okay, so that is what we put in the section, and the aside is pretty much the same thing actually, but we're running short on time, so I'm going to end the video here, and we'll take a look at the aside tag in the third part of the series. So I will see you guys next time, but as always, don't forget to subscribe. Please feel free to leave a comment, like, or share this video. It's really going to help my channel grow, and I will see you guys next time.